Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. A balance sheet shows what your business owns, what it owes, and your equity at a specific point in time. It's one of the core financial statements and is essential for lenders, investors, and day-to-day decision making. Let's walk through how to generate it clearly and confidently. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to your company dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, look for the Reports section. Click Reports to open the Reports page. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Balance Sheet. From the search results, click Balance Sheet to open the standard report. Across the top of the report, you'll find controls that let you fine-tune what you see. Click the highlighted Report Period field to adjust the date range. When the calendar opens, choose the exact dates you want to analyze. You can click specific days on the calendar, such as selecting the 2nd as your start date, and then click again, for example on the 13th, as your end date. If you prefer, you can also pick one of the preset periods like this month, last month, or this fiscal year. Use whichever option reflects the period you need to review. Next, use the other highlighted options at the top to tailor the view to your accounting. For many businesses, choosing between cash and accrual accounting will change how the numbers appear, so click that setting and select the method that matches your books. If you see options to change how columns are displayed or to group totals differently, select what makes the report easiest for you and your stakeholders to read. As you make these selections, the report will refresh automatically. There's nothing extra you need to run. Now review the results. At the top, you'll see assets followed by liabilities and equity. A quick accuracy check is that assets should equal liabilities plus equity. If something looks off, adjust your dates or accounting method using those same controls until the period and view are correct for your analysis. If you want more context on any line, you can click a blue number to drill down into the transactions behind it. This helps you verify balances and understand what's driving changes. That's all there is to it. You've opened QuickBooks, navigated to reports, found the balance sheet, adjusted the date range by clicking your start and end dates, refined the settings, and viewed the results as they updated automatically. Now you can confidently run and read a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online whenever you need it.